Hello, space nerds, and welcome to MicroCosmos. I'm Colin Thomas Nichols. I'll be your host this week, and we're going to talk about the Mars InSight mission. This is a mission designed to send a solar-powered lander to Elysium Planitia on Mars, with a primary objective of studying the processes that shaped Mars in its early history. Its projected lifetime is about 2 years, and it will study any possible seismic activity and the depth and thickness of Mars's crust, mantle, and core. Among various imaging and science cameras, some of the instruments on board include a self-tunneling heat flow probe, officially called the Heat Flow and Physics Properties Package, or HP3, or nicknamed the Mole, which is designed to heat and hammer up to 5 meters below the surface and feel any warmth from Mars's interior. The Rotation and Interior Structure Experiment, or RISE, will give precise measurements on the rotation and internal structure of Mars. The Seismic Experiment for Interior Structure, or SEIS, will take measurements of quakes and other seismic activity. The spacecraft is built by Lockheed Martin Space Systems. It has a mass of 360 kilograms, and when it's deployed, its dimensions are 6.1 by 2 by 1.4 meters. It relies on a maximum of 450 watts of solar power and uses rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. Being a Discovery Program mission, it is cost-capped at $425 million, not including launch vehicle funding. To cut down on the cost, the spacecraft uses the same structure and design as the Mars Phoenix lander from 2008, which itself uses the same refurbished design and structure from the cancelled Mars 2001 Surveyor lander. Mars InSight was supposed to launch atop an Atlas V 401 in March 2016, but due to vacuum leaks in the SEIS instrument, the launch was cancelled. There was speculation about the entire mission being scrubbed, but NASA announced the mission will be launched as planned at the next transfer window, which is in May 2018. Mars InSight will also have MARCO, or Mars Cube 1. This is 2 6-unit CubeSats that will piggyback on InSight to Mars. MARCO will demonstrate communication technologies and relay telemetry data from InSight during the EDL phase in real time. This will be the first time CubeSats have ever gone to another planet, making them the first interplanetary CubeSats. In an effort to gain some good publicity, NASA also invited people from around the world to submit their names to be etched onto a silicone chip that will be fixed onto the InSight Mars lander. This means that those that participated will have their names on an interplanetary lander, which is pretty cool. Well, that's it for this week. I hope you enjoyed this episode of MicroCosmos, and be sure to like and subscribe to our YouTube channel and our Facebook page to stay up to date. Have a great week.